This is the Lenovo A1 unboxing. Just got it. They just dropped it off. UPS. I had pre-ordered it. And this is what it looks like. The box has a cutaway on the side there a little bit, you can see. Pad comes very well wrapped. Oh, feels nice. Feels heavy, sturdy. And as you can see, I picked up the blue one. And it looks pretty good. It's got protective wrapping over it. Has the 110 adapter. A lot of box for not too much. Looks very familiar with other ones that I have. And this is the USB cable for charging and the small manual to go with it. So, not a lot of stuff, but it feels very good. So, I will plug it in, charge it up, and do another video of how it worked out.